Look at this lovely straight stretch of road, eh? My word. What's the speed? Pushing 100 just in case there's any wild animals. But from the top there, I don't know if you saw it, from the top there was this lovely vista all the way straight. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I was actually thinking I might be able to, I don't know how it works, but I might be able to, because the GoPro, you can't view on the GoPro, you've got to view on your phone, so, and then you download to your phone. But I might actually, on the fly, like doing a video like this, while I'm riding, if I got cell phone reception, download to the phone, and like do a quick share up to Insta, or something like that, might be possible. Anyway, that's tech. Just enjoy the view, guys. Car coming past. Gorgeous day for riding, anyway.